Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For this week episode I want to make an unboxing for some tools that I bought, and that reason for I bought it is because now I'm stuck in a hotel room due to my job. I'm not saying that this is wrong, but unfortunately I can't work with fiberglass since I am in a hotel room. But with these tools that are powered by a rechargeable battery, it will be much easier to find a parking lot or somewhere where I can work outside after I'll finish my work. So when I come back to the hotel, I can put all the stuff in my car and then I can go somewhere outside where it's quiet and do my fiberglass projects. Fiberglass, it's a passion that I discovered 50 years ago in a boatyard in Greece. And I started loving work with fiberglass, and I didn't stop ever since. So I'm continuous working in fiberglass, and these tools will help me a lot. So I will start by, I have here two tools. One is cordless orbital sander, cordless because, as I said, it's powered by a battery, and then a cordless angle grinder, which is also powered by a battery. And I will start with this orbital sander. So I remove this and I will focus on that one at first. As you can see on the label, it is powered by a 20 volts battery, which is not included in the pack. And here it's also the recommended battery, which is 20 volts and 2 amp per hour, which is also the reason that I bought this kit, which have a charger and also a 2.4 2 amp per hour battery, which have the cell balancing technology for a longer life. It has 3 years guarantee, so I hope that will last for a longer time. Let's remove the cover. And see what it's inside. When I open the box, I have, of course, the digital sander, which have the power and non-power button. Also, it has a handle which can be removed by using this screw. And also what I love, and I was searching for these tools, is to have a variable speed. So you can increase or decrease the speed. Here is the dust collector. There you have also a tool that you can use it. You remove this one and then you put this one and attach a vacuum cleaner, and all the dust will be collected with a vacuum cleaner or a dust extraction unit. More than this, this is a device that will help you to put the sanding pads. So you put a stack of sanding pads here, something like this. And then if you want, when you want to connect the tool, you only make it so. And sorry. It's the upside down. So you put it like this, and when you want to connect the pad, you only have to do it so, and you have the right holes. Okay, there it's a bag, and of course the instruction manual, where is described all the tools that you need, the necessary accumulator and the necessary charger. There have several language for this. So this is the sander. As I said, for this sander it's necessary a 2 amps per hour rechargeable battery, and this was coming in a set, so in the price it was included a charger and a battery. I will open it as well. And here is the charger. which I already tested and it's working. And here is 2 amps per hour battery, which also have a testing for capacity of the battery to see how much is charged. We're going to connect this very simple, and then we will start the machine. So this is the speed in the gear 1. Then easily you can increase the speed. And this is the maximum. I will never think that in my project I will use the maximum speed, maybe the second, something like this. It's more than enough for my projects, but it's working really nice. Now it's new and shiny, but I hope it will power my projects when I'm on board, when I'm traveling, because my job, as I said, it's including more than 50% traveling. As I said before, it's not something bad, but somehow it's preventing me to work with my passion, this being fiberglass. I'll move this aside and I will show you the other tool that I wanted to make an unbox. And the other tool is a cordless angle grinder, which, you know, is very helpful when working with fiberglass, because you can cut the fiberglass with it, and having a battery, that will be very helpful for me, because as I said, I can put it in a car and then stop in a car parking place or somewhere where it's quiet and I am not bothering nobody, and I can still work with my small fiberglass project. For this, it's recommended a battery which is 4 amp per hour, which I bought it here, and it's separate, so it doesn't have a charger. But the reason why I didn't bought a charger is because I can charge the battery with this one. Even if here it's written 2.4 amps hour, that doesn't mean that it will not gonna charge this charger, but it will charge the battery in a longer time. First, let's take the box out and move it aside. Well, I will open it to see what the package is containing. So the packaging is containing the angular grinder, which already have a cutting disc. This is for metal. I will replace this with a diamond disc, which will help me to cut fiberglass. The diameter is 125. The protection cover, you can move it in which side do you want. Okay, here is the button that it's blocking the disc when you have to change it. The power button, and as well something that I really like and I really search for this kind of tools is to have a variable speed. Then you also have a handle and a key that is helping to change the pads or the discs. More than this, we have here also the instruction manual, where we have other information on how to protect and how to clean, how to keep it safe. It's written in several languages, so you find all the information of how to work with this tool in a safe condition. As I said before, for this tool is necessary a 4 amp per hour battery, which I bought it separately. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. To have a comparison, This is the 2 amps and this is the 4 amps. It's almost double. As well, this have a capacity indicator, which now it's red and yellow. I will connect this to the angular grinder, and then I will start it on the speed number 1. Then I will cross to 2, 3. So in speed number 6, it's working like a 220 volts machine. What I like to this one is that the box, it's made it that you can fit the angular grinder as well with the 4 amps battery, and as well there is place enough to fit the charger over here in this space. And also you have an indicator how to put all these tools back in the box, and I think this is really handy and it helping a lot to fit the tool. I have some tools from Hilti, for example, and it's really hard to know where I could put the tool back on the box. That is empty. As well for this one, we're gonna put the instruction card back. We're gonna put the dust extraction unit back as well. The sanding sheets that were coming in the package, where you have a few sanding sheets, so that it's not enough even for a small project, but that you have to buy it separately. And as well, it's place enough for the tool inside the box with the charger, with the battery, and also it has a place which is coming here, and I will prove that you can add as well a charger. So we can take this one and you can put it like this, and then you have place here for a charger as well. I would like to put it in the box with the angular grinder because it's consuming a lot more energy than the sander, and that means that the battery will be consumed much faster, so I think it's more handy to have it in this box. But however, what I like to this kind of tools is that the battery is interchangeable, so I have another tools at home. I have a drilling machine and a jigsaw, and I can use this battery for all of them, so it's part of a bigger gam of tools, which is call it 20 volt steam, and there are several tools that are compatible with this battery, which makes me really happy. I will come back after some time of using to see if this is really reliable in time, but until now I can say that the product that I bought it from Parkside are really good, at least for my hobbies. Okay, I'm not doing profi projects, so I'm not working with these tools in industry. I choose another, let's say, brand of tools to use them in the factory, in the plant. But for my hobbies at home, I think these tools will help me a lot. And as I said, I can take them aboard. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and it's helpful. Maybe it's not what you expect to see today, but with these two tools, I have the possibility to make furthermore projects with fiberglass. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bells, as well hit the like button, and stay tuned. Thank you very much.